The error E8 code in TCL air conditioners is related to issues with a temperature sensor located in the outdoor unit of the equipment. In this case, we are specifically talking about the temperature sensor, located in the compressor discharge pipe, which is recognized as the thinnest pipe of the compressor. This sensor is responsible for measuring the temperature of the refrigerant gas that exits once it has been compressed. To resolve the E8 error in TCL units, it is recommended to follow these steps. 1. Turn off the unit, disconnect it from the power supply for a few minutes, and then turn it back on to check if the error reappears. 2. If the error reappears, turn off the unit again and disconnect it. Pay attention to the condition of the sensor. 3. Check the position and connection of the sensor located on the electronic board of the outdoor unit. Make sure that the ambient temperature sensor connector is correctly inserted into its slot. If it is loose, reinsert it firmly. Turn on the unit and check if the E8 error reappears. 4. Verify the cleanliness of the fan and coil of the outdoor unit to ensure that the equipment is in optimal condition. Remember to visually check the correct rotation of the fan with the unit turned off. Make sure the fan blades rotate freely to rule out mechanical problems. 5. With the unit turned off, disconnect the temperature sensor from the electronic board of the outdoor unit to measure its resistance. For this, use a multimeter. 6. Set the multimeter to the kiloohm scale and place the multimeter leads on the connection pins of the temperature sensor to measure its resistance. The reading on the multimeter should never be 0 or infinite. If it is, replace the temperature sensor. 7. For example, for many units, at a temperature of 25 degrees Celsius, the resistance should be approximately 5 kiloohms. Check the resistance temperature table in the TCL unit's manual and compare the resistance value shown on the multimeter with the table. If the resistance is outside the normal range, the temperature sensor is faulty and should be replaced. 8. If replacing the sensor does not resolve the error, it is very likely that the problem lies in the electronic board of the outdoor unit. In this case, it is recommended to conduct a visual inspection of the electronic board to check for any abnormalities.